Good morning and welcome back again. Thank you for joining us if you are a returning subscriber. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so you can get updates. So as promised, we will be talking about the phonetic symbols today. This is episode 4 of the Speak Right series. Remember, when you speak right, you become a right speaking person. So today we'll be looking at phonetic symbols. Phonetic symbols, and remember we said in the last class that there are 49 phonetic symbols, which 24 are consonants and 25 are vowel sounds, and the vowel sounds lie on the 5 vowel sounds that we know in English language. So today we're looking at phonetic symbols. Phonetic symbols are simply a combination of various alphabets, various English alphabets, of course. Like I said earlier, there are 49 sounds in phonetics. These sounds are divided into vowel sounds and consonant sounds. There are 25 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. It will be interesting to note, as earlier stated, that 5 letters from the English alphabet, generally known as the vowels, A, E, I, O, U, form the bedrock on which the 25 phonetic symbols lie. So the remaining 21 letters make up the consonant sound with an addition of 3 familiar symbols. So now let's go on to vowel sounds. Vowels are speech sounds produced without any obstruction to the airflow from the oral cavity. So when you're pronouncing vowel sounds, there is no obstruction to the airflow from the vocal cavity. 25 vowel sounds are divided into 3 groups. We have the monophthongs, diphthongs, and triphthongs. Monophthongs, diphthongs, and triphthongs. The monophthongs are further divided into 2 forms, short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. So now let's split the sounds and see how it makes up 25. Monophthongs, there are 12. Remember we said there's short vowel sounds, which are 7 in number, and the long vowel sounds, which are 5 in number. The diphthongs are 8 in number, and the triphthongs are 5 in number. That's how we come about the 25 vowel sounds. And so now the monophthongs, which will be what we'll be starting with. Monophthongs are vowel sounds that are produced with only one unit. Vowel sounds that are produced with only one unit, and they are classified as the pure vowels. They are classified as pure vowels because they remain constant when you're pronouncing them. They do not glide. When you pronounce the monophthongs, they do not glide. So examples of the short vowel sounds are the sounds I, E, A, O, U. So those are the examples of the short vowel sounds. I, E, A, O, U. So we'll go on to look at examples of words with the short vowel sounds. The sound I has words like sit, lip, pit, bit, is, nib, clip, dip, fish, kid, pick, stick, did, with, Whitney, million, victory, chill, king, and a whole lot more words like that. Then the sound you find the sound in words like set, get, bet, bend, lend, send, elephant, fend, fence, tell, men, said, breakfast, read, presentations, deft, president, dreadlocks, fetish, beggar, and a whole lot of other words that you find the sound. Then you have the sound. The sound, you find it in words like cat, fat, mad, man, dad, sad, lad, bat, pack, sack, mark, and a whole lot of other words, waggle, candid, rapids, and other words like that. The sound, which is a schwa sound, you find it in words like above, sister, father, brother, father, around, tonight, today, amidst, Nigeria, banana, illegal, privacy, idiot, teacher. And the sound is found in words such as cut, sun, London, sun, blood, flood, governor, study, mother, last, basti. The sound is found in words like God, slot, dog, doctor, consonant, cotton, dreadlocks, And then finally, you have the oo sound. You find it in words like good, book, look, took, woman, would, could, July, sugar, pull. And so those are the short vowel sounds, and that's where we'll round up the class for today. Thank you again for joining us. If you are a first-time subscriber, kindly hit the notification button so you can get more insight. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining us. Remember, when you speak right, you become a right speaking person. So when we come again next time, we will go on to look at the long vowel sounds along with word examples.